We're the Grill Dads, and we used our new maple chili juicy blend from Spiceology to dry brine these beautiful turkey legs and turn them into Butterflied maple chili turkey legs. This tastes like fall meets the perfect poultry. Beautiful maple sugar and a slight chili flavor. It's not spicy, it's just a little warm, and also it's gonna make whatever you're cooking with it super tender on the inside and crispy and delicious on the outside. Let's crack it open, make it happen. We're gonna dry these off. We're gonna butterfly these. It's gonna increase the surface area, it's gonna cook quicker, and the flat part of this that opens up is gonna get the crispiest, juiciest skin. We wanna cut down the backside, right on the bone. We're gonna follow down both sides of the bone here. Now you wanna be careful you don't go around this side too much, because if you do, you're gonna cut it off of the bone, and then it's not gonna wanna stay on here anymore. Which means you and your turkey are both monumental failures. Here we go, numero uno. We're gonna go right along the bone and open it up like a book. Now we're gonna do our dry brines. We're gonna do this bottom side first, and then we're gonna flip it over and apply it to the other side. We want the skin side up while it's in the fridge so that some of the excess moisture in the skin can evaporate, which is gonna give us a better chance of getting crispy skin. Gonna do a little bit under the skin here. Make sure these are out wide while they're sitting. The pretty skin side is up. They're completely covered in the dry brine. Now they're gonna go into the fridge for 24 hours uncovered. This was in the fridge overnight. Guys, check out how much moisture the brine pulled out.
Let's make some maple citrus compound butter. We have softened butter here. This is salted butter. Don't get any of that unsalted stuff. I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of organic, all natural maple syrup. Looks good to me. All right, I've got some parsley here. And now I'm gonna use something really cool, maple sugar. And maybe a teaspoon or so. And then the zest of 1 orange. And there we go. Now we're just gonna mash this around with a fork.
Full recipe available at thegrilldads.com.